Okay, Tony's getting ready to solder bolsters on a dogleg jack, and he's just taken acetone and cleaned the bolsters and the liner pieces. Now, taking some pencil lead and basically drawing in the area where we don't want the solder to stick. It's basically what we call an old Indian trick.
That old Indian's been a handy dude to know.
Yeah. Yeah, you wiped oil on the other side of that.
So the solder won't go where I don't want it.
That's right. Tony's got some flux that he's soaked in the Q-tip, and basically uses that to wash that area where we want the solder to stick. The idea here is to get the bolsters hot enough to melt the solder, but not so hot that you burn the thing up.
Burn the flux.
That's right.
A little dump on it come along later and sweep that up.
That's right.